Hello and welcome to the Conquer channel, where we drop intel to upgrade your mind, body, and life. Today we're going to talk about meditation and some of the unbelievable benefits it provides. We are huge proponents of meditation here at Conquer Today, and admittedly poor practitioners sometimes. Many people have heard about the top reasons to meditate, but let's quickly go through a few before we show you our perfect 10 meditation method. Takes 2 minutes, provides instant results. There have been multiple scientific studies conducted on meditation with some surprising insights. Meditation physically changes your brain by increasing gray matter, which is responsible for things like memory and self-control. Meditation both boosts your physical immune system and increases your tolerance to pain. And of course, meditation has a powerful impact on decreasing depression, stress, and anxiety. It really could be considered the #1 lifelong healthy habit that anyone can do. All right, so let's show you how to do our perfect 10 method of meditation. Counting to 10 is easy, right? Well, counting to 10 without letting your mind wander is actually extremely difficult. If you close your eyes now and start counting, you'll realize it takes about 2 seconds until your mind starts to wander from the numbers. This is called the monkey mind. It's always chattering and it runs all day long. It's exhausting. So, meditation is about taming the monkey mind. To do the perfect 10 method, find a quick place to sit down or lay down. Close your eyes and take a deep, deep breath. Then start counting your breaths up to 10. Breathe in, 1. Breathe out. Breathe in, 2. Breathe out. Do this all the way to 10, and it should take about 2 minutes if you breathe slowly and deeply. If you find your mind wandering from the numbers, just bring yourself back to this moment. Soon you might find that during or in between breaths, you'll see your mind going blank for a few seconds. That's exactly what should happen. It's incredibly peaceful, and long-term meditation can keep you in that place for minutes at a time. Work on expanding that feeling, only thinking when you have to say a number. The next step is to remove the numbers and just breathe. The most powerful changes from meditation comes after a few months, working your way up to 20-minute sessions or more. For now, just focus on counting perfectly. If you get that far, you'll be amazed at some of the insights, peace, and joy that can come from just sitting down and shutting up. If you'd like, we have some downloadable equipment to help you take the next step in meditation. This will provide more advice on how to tame the monkey mind and resources for good meditation music and apps if you need it. But try and stick with the basics of quiet, unguided practice. Good luck. Subscribe to the Conquer channel for more intel, and remember to do good, be great, and conquer today.